still got about an inch. Three-quarters of an inch. You still got about half an inch.
I can't really see how close it is to that corner.
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost out.
It's almost out, yeah. You know what? Maybe I should grab a rope and fucking to hold it so it can swing, or what do you think?
We got a big play bar and a block of wood. You can block that up and try and play under it.
Like that.
Just put it like a,
Oh yeah, I see yours.
yeah, that's it. You just need a bigger piece, like a,
Second piece there.
right?
Yeah, see that.
There you go.
Well, probably go a bit higher if you want. And then we can swing around. Yeah. Oh shit, okay. Well, let's reassess this, eh? How heavy do you think this fucking thing is?
Can't be that heavy. Well, it's a solid piece of wood.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get that under.
Yeah. Well, we're both sides. Well, you know what?
Watch out, that's going to slip out from that
Yeah, we know.
from that zinc.
Yeah,
The
that's
zinc's holding it on.
Well, no, we got a rope on there too.
Yeah, I see that.
You know what? Yeah. Let's just do it. Let's go. Fruit scotch, baby. I'll walk with ya. Yeah, let's go to that block if you can. All right.
There you go, last minute emergency repairs. Shortened our trip by at least a week.